Fix Duolingo no sound issue. Now, if you're facing the issue of Duolingo no sound issue, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In the following video, I will guide you to fix Duolingo no sound. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is not on the silent mode. So if your device is on the silent mode, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to receive the sound from Duolingo. Secondly, make sure that you enable the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by enabling the airplane mode, it helps you to reset all the network settings and also helps you to fix the bugs and the errors of it. The third option which you need to do is that you just need to open Play Store or App Store and see if there is any update available for the Duolingo app. So if you find any update available for the Duolingo app, make sure to update to the latest version available and simply update the app to the latest version, which helps you to fix the bugs and error which is occurring on the app. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to open settings on a device, and from here you just need to search for the app called Duolingo. So simply search the app and see if you have given permission for microphone or not. So you just need to give the permission for microphone on the Duolingo app and be able to fix the issue of no sound. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video.